This morning, we're waiting to see whether the pandemic has gotten even worse because of family gatherings for Thanksgiving. The nationwide death toll from COVID-19 reached more than 263,000 yesterday. And for the first time, U.S. hospitals are treating more than 90,000 coronavirus patients. Millions of Americans celebrated in large groups yesterday, despite warnings from health officials. Adriana Diaz is in Chicago, where busy hospitals are preparing to get even busier. Adriana, good morning.
Good morning. Well, here at Northwestern Memorial Hospital, they've actually reduced elective surgeries just to make sure there's enough room for the increased number in COVID cases they're seeing. And listen to this. Local health officials say 1 in every 17 Chicagoans is carrying the virus. And that's why doctors across this city and the nation are trying to curb the spread to avoid what could be a devastating holiday season.
I was worried after Halloween. I'm far more worried after Thanksgiving.
Hospitals are bracing for a post-holiday influx of COVID patients. Dr. Meeta Shah works in the ER at Chicago's Rush University Medical Center.
We will not get a reprieve because then Christmas comes and then New Year comes. So if we're just stacking surge upon surge upon surge, I am significantly worried about that.
The lobby at Rush has been transformed into a COVID triage area to make room in case there's a surge of patients in the coming days. And though a projected 50 million Americans still traveled for the holiday this weekend, outside Los Angeles, this bumper-to-bumper traffic wasn't for holiday travel. It was to pick up a Thanksgiving meal from a food bank.
So many people just appreciate being here, being able to get out.
In Northwest Indiana, volunteers rallied to keep a local tradition alive, turning a massive Thanksgiving feast for 1,500 into a drive-through celebration.
God, we lift up these families who are mourning the loss of their loved ones because of COVID.
For others, the holiday was a time to reflect on a difficult year. Members of a church in hard-hit South Dakota set up hundreds of empty chairs outside the state capitol, one for every South Dakotan who succumbed to the virus. And for the Spano family in Connecticut, dinner was tough without their brother and son, Daniel Spano, who's in the picture frame. He died from COVID earlier this year. Thanksgiving was his favorite holiday.
We're gonna video chat and, try to have some sense of normalcy, but no matter what we do, it's not going to be the same.
Back in Chicago, like so many frontline workers, Dr. Shaw spent her Thanksgiving in the ER.
You step out of your front door and you're sad that you're leaving your family on a holiday. But when you walk into these doors, this is your work family. And right now, my work family is hurting.
Here's why Dr. Shah and so many others are concerned. According to the city's public health commissioner, 1 Chicagoan is diagnosed with the virus every minute. Jerika?
Adriana, thank you.